Hi, I'm Andrew Phillips at Brown Harris Stevens. Join Amelia and I to view this wonderful new apartment at 250 East 65th Street so you can see how it's been updated for today and for years to come. Talk about getting a little work done. A new building facade, including a newly renovated lobby, new elevator cabs and mechanicals, and newly decorated hallways.
I don't know about you, but I love a spacious entrance foyer.
It really does create a great separation of space.
Even on an overcast day like today, the light in this living dining area is wonderful. And look at all this storage. And here we have a beautifully renovated windowed eat-in kitchen, all with top-of-the-line appliances, including a Wolf gas range with a vented hood, a Wolf wall oven and microwave, a side-by-side Sub-Zero fridge, and Fisher-Paykel dishwasher drawers. The kitchen cabinets are all custom-built, and there are marble counters with a built-in banquette.
Andrew, you forgot my favorite. Hidden away behind the custom cabinetry is the washer and vented dryer.
And look at the size of this primary bedroom. A king-size bed doesn't even take over the room.
And look at this bedroom. It's huge, and it has an ensuite bathroom with a Zuma soaking tub.
New construction has nothing on this place. Both the second and the third bedroom are oversized with great closet space.
Don't forget, residents of 250 East 65th Street enjoy a newly renovated roof deck with a gas grill,
Along with friendly staff, including a 24-hour doorman, live-in super, and porters, the building also has a new air conditioning system, along with a bike room and private storage and laundry room. And there's a newly renovated fitness room. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewertz, and we're with Brown Harris Stevens. If you'd like to see 250 East 65th Street, apartment 9E,
Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be delighted to show you this beautiful home.